So here's a short walkthrough of the Mapping Aberdeen app so you can get an idea of what it would be like if you were actually in Aberdeen doing one of these walks and using the app to help you guide you through the walk that you're on. So we load up the app and it takes you through to the first page where we've got two main icons. We've got the feet icon, which takes you through to the walks themselves. We'll go through that in a minute, but the other one is the treasure chest. If we click on that, it takes you through to what is an area which is currently empty. This is where we save photographs and audio recordings that we capture as we are going around Aberdeen on these different walks, and we can save them in this particular location and come back and listen to them at another time. So if we go through to the walks screen, you'll see that we have a number of walks, each of which has information about the number of points of interest and some blurb about the particular walk to help you make a choice. And when you've landed on the walk that you want to go on, you click on the feet icon again, and it takes you through to a map. And there you'll see there are a number of locations that are identified. And if I just zoom out to just show you that blue dot on the left there to the west of Aberdeen, that's where I currently am making this recording. And if I was actually in Aberdeen doing this walk, that blue location finder would be in the middle of that map there. So that would help me navigate around Aberdeen as I go and visit these different points. So you'll see as I click on each of these pins that there's some information, a title for each one. And if I go through to this BT building, for example, so if I'm standing there looking at the BT building, I'll see something a bit like this. So you can see that we've got some content in here, photograph and audio that we took at a particular point in time. And as you're standing in that location, looking at the BT building, you can make a visual comparison to the photograph that we have in the app. But you can also listen to some audio that were recorded. So you can make comparisons to what you're actually witnessing there and then, and you can actually compare those to the content, as I said, that we put in. You can also capture the sound that you are listening to at that particular point by hitting the record button, and then it will load up the particular sound that you put underneath there, and that will play that back. You can also take a photograph. I'm currently at my desk making this recording. So I take that particular photograph and use that. It then pops that into the app just underneath the BT building photograph that we have already put in there. We've also got some text information about that. But the interesting thing is that if we go back to our treasure, you'll see now that we've got an entry in there which is some stuff that we've captured around the BT building alongside what we've already got in the app itself. So hopefully that gives you an idea about how you might use the Mapping Aberdeen app to guide you through various parts of Aberdeen as you go visit these places and capture photographs, images and audio as you're doing so.